Today I'm going to show you the way that you can change your payment method on Amazon Prime. If you want to change the existing payment method on your Amazon Prime, you can do it through the website of primevideo.com because you don't have an option within the application, whether the desktop app or the mobile app. So just log into your account on primevideo.com and then click on your profile on the top right and open up accounts and settings. From here, you'll land on the accounts and settings tab and make sure that you're on your accounts tab. And right here, you'll see an option of set payment method. You can just click on it and it's going to show you your current payment method. Now to change your payment method and to remove the existing one, you need to add in the new card first. So add in your card details of your debit or credit card and then just click on add your card. It accepts all the major cards, and once you add it in the card, you will have an option of removing the existing card. So that was a quick and easy video on how to change your payment method on your Amazon Prime account. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more similar videos. Until then, keep watching.